Hey there, DIY friends. If you love the smell of fresh cut wood, the sound of a saw, or that feeling when you finish a project with your own two hands, this video's for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how one woodworking discovery completely changed the way I build projects. And honestly, it helped me save hundreds of dollars and finally start building like a pro. If you've ever felt frustrated with confusing plans or YouTube tutorials that leave out half the steps, stick with me. You're about to see something that's a total game changer. Let me ask you this. Have you ever started a woodworking project that looked simple, but halfway through you realized something was missing? Maybe the measurements didn't line up, the materials list wasn't clear, or you just couldn't get it to look like the picture? I've been there so many times. I can't even count how many half-finished projects I had lying around my garage. It was frustrating. And the worst part? Every time I searched for new plans online, I'd end up with vague diagrams, wrong cuts, and a bunch of wasted wood. Then one day, I stumbled across something called Ted's Woodworking, and I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. I thought, another online course? Probably just a gimmick. But after I looked into it, and actually tried it, I realized this was the real deal. So, what is Ted's Woodworking? It's a massive collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. Yeah, you heard that right. 16,000. Every single one of them comes with step-by-step instructions, detailed blueprints, full materials and cutting lists, and 3D diagrams that even a beginner can follow, whether you want to build a birdhouse, a coffee table, or a full backyard shed. Ted's has a plan for it. And here's the thing that blew my mind. Everything actually fits together. No more guessing measurements, no more confusion. You just follow the plan, cut your pieces, and watch your project come to life. Now, let me tell you how this helped me personally. A few months ago, I wanted to build a custom farmhouse-style coffee table for my living room. Normally, I'd spend hours trying to find a free plan that might work. But this time, I went into Ted's library, typed coffee table, and bam, I had over 50 designs to choose from. I picked one, downloaded the plan, printed it out, and followed it step by step. No guesswork, no wasted wood, no stress. 2 weekends later, I had a beautiful, solid coffee table that looked like something from a furniture store. My wife couldn't believe I built it myself. And since then, I've made a few more projects: a shoe rack, a garden bench, and even a doghouse for our pup. Every single one turned out amazing. Here's why this is so powerful. Woodworking isn't just about building things. It's about creating something with your own two hands. There's something special about taking a pile of lumber and turning it into something you can use and be proud of. But too often, beginners give up because it's hard to find good guidance. That's exactly why I recommend Ted's Woodworking. It makes the process fun, simple, and stress-free. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been doing this for years, having the right plans makes all the difference. And here's a bonus. When you grab Ted's Woodworking today, you don't just get the 16,000 plans. You also get a free CAD software to design your own projects, a woodworking guidebook for beginners, and step-by-step video tutorials for more complex builds. It's like having a pro carpenter walk you through every project, right from your workshop or garage. So if you've ever wanted to build your dream projects without wasting time or money, click the first link in the description below and check out Ted's Woodworking for yourself. It's super affordable, and honestly, it pays for itself with just one successful project. I've dropped my personal affiliate link down there. It'll take you straight to the official Ted's Woodworking page where you can see all the plans, bonuses, and testimonials. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a small shelf I made using one of Ted's plans. I followed the instructions step by step, cut the pieces exactly like the diagram, assembled everything with pocket screws, sanded and stained it. Simple, fast, and it looks great. Imagine how many projects you could finish this month alone. Gifts, home decor, even stuff you could sell on Etsy or at local craft fairs. All right, friends, if you're serious about improving your woodworking skills or starting your own little side hustle, Ted's Woodworking is hands down the best place to start. Go ahead and click the link below right now. Explore the plans, grab the bonuses, and start building something amazing today. Don't wait. Your next project could be your best one yet. I'm excited to see what you build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more DIY projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Fade out with upbeat music and visuals of woodworking projects.